Hi, I'm MJ Riches, a PhD candidate at Colorado State University. As a kid, I spent a lot of my time split between museums and my grandpa's tree farm. I was always surrounded by art and science and nature, and I knew I'd never be able to pick just one thing to do for the rest of my life. I bounced between everything from race car driving to acting to forensic anthropology. I'd join any club I could, and I'd fill my free time by doodling relentlessly, even during class. As I entered college, I still had no idea what I wanted to do. I went to a liberal arts university, undeclared, and remained so up until the point that I had to pick. That semester, I put all of my interests, but art, into a hat and picked two: chemistry and biology. So there I was, a solid science major with a million other things in my heart. I found a research project that let me dream of the bigger world, exposing compounds in leaf waxes to ozone. I graduated, resigned myself to being an actual chemist, and headed to grad school. That's where everything changed. I found an advisor who encouraged me to take on an interdisciplinary project that allowed me to be both a chemist and a plant person. Now I get to stress plants out and analyze the good-smelling chemicals they emit. I flew under the radar for a while, doodling, knitting, and painting all at home, but my group and advisor noticed my propensity towards creating visuals and encouraged me to bring my artistic side into the sciences. I was scared at first. It was like learning to draw all over again. And I struggled finding my confidence, but it was at last year's AGU conference and because of AGU's Voices for Science program that I was encouraged to share my creations. I'm honestly still scared to share most of the time, but it's always worth it, and I can't wait to see your creations here too.